Hello guys, welcome back to my how-to channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to publish Roblox game. The first thing that we want to do is open up our computer, search, and here we will search Roblox Studio. Open up Roblox Studio, and once we have it loaded, it should automatically detect any games which we have created here. So just give you some time to load up Roblox Studio like this. Okay, so it's going to log me in as well. It might ask you to log in with your account. And here I am. Now, as you can see, I have experiences. You can create a new one if you would like, but I'll just use this one. So you will have an experience created automatically. Like I said, you can create a new experience here. So for example, okay, let's do classic like this. And now beginning from scratch, once we have created the game, we will click on save or click on file here in the top left, and we will select save to Roblox. As now it's going to show like this, and we will create a new game. The game is going to be test game 2 for me, and obviously I'm just going to click on save here, so it might take some time to load. So loading place test game 2. Okay, so just like that, it's going to be loaded, and I'm just going to exit out of this. So after I exit out of this, this is going to be my game that I just created. And if I want to publish it, I'll just load it up once more like this. I'll click on file and I'll click on publish to Roblox. So once I have done this, it might take a little bit of time. So publish to Roblox. All right, we should be done. Now we go back into Roblox website, click on create. Now if I go into creations, here you will see my test game here that I just created. Left click on it, and now here we'll select settings, and we can just change it to public so people can play it. So click on save change, and now we have successfully published and made our Roblox game public so people can play it. That's how you do it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my auto channel.